holding it down.
What? You're going ONTSIGE.
That's
Yeah, you think not? Go. Open it. Take that stuff out. Take that. Lay the box down. Come on, let's lay the box down. There you go. Go ahead. Stuff out. Show me what's in that box.
You can look like this.
Find me in it.
What is it?
This is find me in it.
What else is it?
This is my skateboard. This is my skateboard. This is my skateboard.
Oh, I see trips to the doctor.
All over that.
Wow.
Wow!
I'm gonna open
As
it.
soon as we get started making
You just feel like flexing your medical card.
Mommy, Mommy.
It's called.
What else came in that box?
Mommy.
You got it?
Pull it down. Take it down so you can show your daddy. That's a knife.
Yeah, you don't need all that.
Pull it down. Pull it down.
You want some help?
Yeah.
I'll just give you a little short help. Alright? That's all I can do for you.
What is it? It's your birthday gift. Happy birthday to you, AJ. I'm gonna say thank you.
Thank you.